Imagine you want to remodel your kitchen and you need to choose from different contractors. You can directly select the cheapest, or you can select a firm that is slightly more expensive but with a sound evidence of excellent performance in the past. In this second option, we are considering cost, but also other different pieces of information to evaluate and select the contractor. We are doing best value decision making because we are choosing the firm that gives us more value by weighting cost and quality. This type of decision making leads us to have more chance of being successful in our kitchen remodel project. Public agencies also use this type of decision making, and they call it best value procurement. But it seems it's not working properly. Every other day, we see in the news that public projects exceed their budgets. For example, the Denver International Airport that is going to cost 50% more than it was expected. I work in the industry and I am angry that taxpayers' money is being wasted. So my question is, are public agencies really choosing the firms that add the best value to their projects? To answer this question, I analyzed more than 200 best value procurements in highway projects. Each procurement is like an exam. Firms, like students, are required to provide different types of information. Highways agencies, like professors, score this type of information, and then they obtain a grade by adding all the different scores that have been previously weighted. Not all the information is equally important, therefore each one is weighted according to its relevance. What I found is although different types of information is required, weighted, and scored, cost rather than quality drives the selection in more than 80% of the cases. So my research improves this tendency. How? By determining what ranges of scores and weights should be used to reach a better balance between cost and quality. To determine those ranges, I used computational simulation. I reproduced hundreds of thousands of best value procurements with different ranges of scores and weights. And I found those ranges that lead to a higher probability of choosing a firm that offers a best value by weighting cost and quality. So I am really excited because using my recommendations for determining those ranges of scores and weights, highways agencies will be able to make a more effective best value selection. And a more effective best value selection in kitchens or highways lead us to have more chance of being successful in our projects, which in turn result not only into a better spending of our money, but also into the best management of taxpayers' money. Thank you.